Alright, what's going on? It's Coach Martin with Kids Martin. We back here for today's Actor Challenge. Let's get it. Alright, so to start off, let's remember our 3 W's. Who, what, and where. Last week we had to focus on character, and I hope you made some interesting characters. But this week we're going on our second W, where. So why is setting important? Well, if I'm reading your story and I don't know where Bob is, and we're just talking about Bob just walking, where's Bob walking? We're talking about Bob had a fight. Where's Bob fighting? We're talking about Bob getting something to eat. Where in the world is Bob eating? You have to know where someone is for you to be able to understand the story.
I mean, I gotta know what's going on. I mean, I don't want to feel like I'm in some crazy bubble. I don't know what's going on.
And as an actor, if you have to portray a character and you don't know where you are, how you gonna do it? I mean, let's look at the 3 little pigs. If the first little pig, if we didn't know where the first little pig was, where would our story go? The wolf would just, end of story. So this is what I want you to do. We're going to create our own setting, all right? First, I want you to find a room in your house. It could be your bedroom, it could be your bathroom, it could be your kitchen. Doesn't matter. I want you to take a picture of it or draw a picture of it. I want you to touch at least 5 things in that room. Now, I don't mean just touch it and just, no. I want you to interact with them. I want you to look all around the room. I want you to take the room in to the point that you feel like you know that room like the back of your hand, all right? Yeah, I don't know what the things are, I don't know what room you pick, but whatever room it is, make sure you know it. Yes, I need you to go outside your house, and I need you to recreate that room. If you have the ability to, it would be great if you could get someone to record you while you're doing this, because what I want you to do is recreate that room in your mind, and we're going to use the acting strategy called pantomime. Pantomime is when you're acting without real objects. It's when you're creating a story just using yourself and using the space and your imagination. So if I want to eat an apple, this apple is as real as I want to make it, but no real props. Got me? So I want you to go outside and I want you to pantomime interacting with those 5 things that I had you interact with in real life. Preferably in your backyard, but take a space. Find a space that you have room. That you have room to be able to create that space as best as you can. If it's a bathroom, where's the toilet? Where's the bathtub? Where's the shower head? Where's the mirror? Where's the sink? Where's the cabinet? Where's the toothpaste? Where's the toothbrush? Once you've interacted with these 5 things, once you've recreated your space, once you feel good about what you're doing, about what you're acting out, now you're ready for your actor challenge. Alright, so for your actor challenge, I want you to see if you can get someone to interact with you in this space. Ask your mom, your dad, your brother, sister, uncle, whoever you can get to do it. So if you chose a kitchen, see if you can get them to use a refrigerator to help you cook something. If you chose a living room, see if you could get them to turn on that television or hand you the remote. Wherever it is you chose, I want to see if you can get your partner to believe it with you, play with you, and really take in the space as if it was real. Because once again, we tell stories, and whether you're using imaginary space or real props, you should be able to tell those stories. You got your acting challenge. Questions. 1. Does it look like you're in the real room? And 2, ask your partner, did they know where they were? So that was today's acting challenge. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have fun, and let me see what you do. Let's go.